So to start, I will start about the furan. Furan, that is a molecular formula is the C4H4 as pyrrole আমরা দেখেছি that is the also aromatic, and furan like pyrrole this is the also aromatic because the lone pair present in the oxygen it is the involved in the conjugation ring system and it is follow the Huckel's rule. So this is the stabilized by the resonance this furan ring, and furan is the 5-member ring system contain the oxygen and with one oxygen. The aromatic furan ring is the normally that is the found not found in the secondary metabolite. Example terpenoids. जो सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट আমরা প্ল্যান্ট থেকে পাই তাতে নরমালি ফিউরান পাওয়া যায়। অ্যানিমাল মেটাবলিজমে নরমালি ফিউরান রিং প্রেজেন্ট থাকে না। ফিউরান 2 carboxylic acid, that is the structure of the furan 2 carboxylic acid COOH at a 2 position attached or is known as the furic acid first obtained, which is the first obtained by the Seeley in 1780 from the dry distillation of the mucic acid. Furan was obtained in 1870. Furan was obtained in the 1870 সালে by the heating of the barium furate with soda lime. Barium furate with soda lime in 1870 first obtained the furan. The scientist Heinrich Lindqvist, these are the first discovered and obtained the furan ring. And furan is the also produced that show the aromaticity characteristics at like the pyrrole moiety. This contains 6 pi electron. The p orbital at the overlap to form the 6 pi electron in the high ring system. So electron climb is the greater than their ring system. Now going to the some specific structure of the furan, we will start with the synthesis of the furan. This is the known as the furan, which contains the 2 double bond. This is the fully aromatic compound. And furan when the partially saturated like that, the numbering started from the oxygen, after that it may be clockwise and anti-clockwise depending upon the cycle. And at the furan, this is the known as the 2,3 dihydrofuran. 2,3 dihydrofuran, and this is the partially saturated, and this is the known as the 3,4 dihydrofuran. This is also the partially saturated. So these two are the partially saturated structure of the furan, and another one is the THF, which is known as the tetrahydrofuran. Furan also produces the azole series like that. This is the like furan. This is the contain the nitrogen. This is the known as the oxazole, 1,3 oxazole. Furan contain the sulfur, that is the known as the furan contain the, these are the not normally contain the sulfur. These are the when this is the contain the oxygen and nitrogen at the 2 position. 1 and 3 position is the known as the oxazole azole series. When this is the contain M and 2 position, this is the known as the isoxazole. So oxazole nitrogen at the present at the 3 position corresponding to the oxygen, and at the isoxazole nitrogen and oxygen are present at the 1 and 2 position corresponding. Now going to the physical properties of the furan. Furan is a colorless, flammable, highly volatile liquid. It is a liquid which is highly volatile and chloroform like odor. boiling point about the room temperature and boiling point এর কাছাকাছি থাকে, so that's about the 31.3 degree Celsius. It's at the melting point minus 80.6 degree Celsius. It is soluble in the organic solvent including alcohol, ether, ethane, and slightly miscible with the water. It is a toxic and the carcinogenic in the human. So furan, it is the carcinogenic and carcinogenic that the direct we cannot be inhaled the furan, if you inhale direct the furan fume, so that is the increases the causes of the cancer. It's having the molecular mass 68.08 gram per mole and in the density about 0.96 gram per semi-cube or milliliter. So the if you see that the chemical properties of the furan, the 2 and 3 carbon bond length is the 1.36 angstrom and 3-4 carbon bond length is the 1.43 angstrom, which is the intermediate between carbon single bond and carbon double bond. carbon single bond এবং carbon double bond এর যে বন্ড অ্যাঙ্গেল এই দুটোর মধ্যে ইন্টারমিডিয়েট দেখা যায় 2, 3 and 3, 4 carbon bond length. Okay, and it is the show the resonance properties like that the lone pair of the oxygen is the form of bond in the corresponding in their side, and it is the form of bond. This bond is the rearranged and it is the rearranged to the above, and it is the produces the where the negative portion, and thus now the electron cloud present of the resonance it is the produces the susceptible for the electrophilic substitution reaction, and this is the react by the electrophiles and to produces the 2 carbonium ion when it is the attacked at the 2 number position of the pyrrole or the furan. It is the stabilized by the three intermediate. And here this positive when the lone pair is the formed bond and it is the oxygen become positive. So this is the stabilized by the 3 carbonium ion when it is the attack at the 2 position. Okay, and when it is the attack at the 3 position, it is the stabilized by the 2 carbonium ion. This lone pair form a bond and it is the oxygen become the positive. Oxygen become the positive. So this is the main reason, and that's why the furan is the susceptible for the attack by the electrophile mostly by the at the position of the 2, and this is the stable by the 2 carbocations. So that is the synthesis part of the furan. Synthesis from the mucic acid, that is the structure of the mucic acid, and mucic acid when subjected for the dry distillation, they use their water and carbon dioxide to form the furan 2 carboxylic acid, and that is the known as the furoic acid. And furoic acid when passes on palladium catalyst in high temperature about 200 degrees Celsius, it loses their decarboxylation in the occurs and it is the form the furan. Let's see the structure of the mucic acid. Mucic acid, that is the structure. CH, OH, 2 already হয়ে গেছে, that is the CH. C double H, H. So this is the structure of the mucic acid, and mucic acid, that is the remove the water molecule, 2 molecules of the water, and this bond is the form. Here is the carboxylic acid, 1 molecule has been liberated, and to form the furoic acid, 2 furoic acid, and furoic acid further, that is the treated in the presence of the catalyst at high temperature, it is the form the furan. Another furan can be also synthesized from the furoic acid, and by the decarboxylation at the high temperature to produce the furan. The second method of the synthesis is the known as the Pall-Mott synthesis. Here we are taking the 1,4-diketone as a starting material. And the 1 position this is the contain the carbonic group, and the 4th position this is the also contain a carbonic group. So this is the 1,4-diketone, and 1,4-diketone when react the presence of the P2O5, phosphorus pentoxide and sulfuric acid, the double bond O, that is the carbonic group, is the converted to their hydroxyl group, corresponding hydroxyl group, and it loses their 1 molecule of the water to form the furan 2,5-dimethyl furan ring, and here is the hydrogen present is that extra hydrogen, there is the form the bond to form the furan bond, and this is the known as the Pall-Mott synthesis. This is the ring closure synthesis. The structure of the farfaran, which is the aldehyde containing the aldehyde at the 2 position. Farfaran is the mostly occurs when the hydrolysis of the polysaccharides occurs, like oat, any vegetables when that is the hydrolyzed, they form the farfaral multi. Like that is the type of the carbohydrate which is the when hydrolyzed in the presence of the acidic media, they remove the water molecule and produces the farfaral by several mechanisms, and this may be by the formation of the bond, this is also by tautomeric mechanism, and the farfaral is produced by the hydrolysis of the carbohydrate, which is on the passing with the steam in the presence of the metal oxide or palladium carbon catalyst. It is the form the furan ring by evolution of the carbon dioxide. Evolution of the carbon dioxide. So phytofuran can be synthesized from the pharvara, or you can say it is also synthesized from the carbohydrates. This is another synthesis method of the furan is known as the Thies-Benani synthesis. Here we are used this synthesis is involved by the reaction of the beta ketoester, that is the example of the beta ketoester, and it is known as the acetate ester of the ethyl or ethyl acetoacetate when treated with the alpha halo ketone or alpha halo aldehyde in the presence of the base like pyridine or sodium hydroxide. It is a form the furan which is substituted with the 2,5-dimethyl and 3-carboxylate ester. So furan chemical reaction of the furan, as I told that in the resonance they are the more reactive at the 2 position. The electrophile normally attack at the 2 position of the furan, and in the case of the electrophilic substitution reaction, and under the electrophilic substitution reaction you are going to the halogenation reaction. So in the presence of the dichloromethane about 40 degrees Celsius, in the presence of the chlorine gas, furan is the halogenated and produce the mixture of the 2-chloro-2,5-dichloro and 2,3,5-trichlorofuran. When these are the normally produce the mixture of the, when we increases the chlorine, when we increases the proportion of the chlorine, so it may be produced the tetrachlorofuran. But when we use the chlorine in the presence of the dichloromethane, the major product will be formed, that is the 2-chlorofuran. Like halogenation, like chlorination, it also react with bromine in the presence of the dioxane, and bromination, the bromine group attached at the 2 position of the furan to form the yield, that is the 2-bromofuran. Here is the chlorine. When we substitute for bromination, they are the produce the product, that is the 2-bromofuran. Nitration, furan is the normally react and nitrated with the mild nitrating agent like acetyl nitrate, CH3COO NO2 plus and this electrophile is the attack at the 2 position of the furan, and it is the produces this is the produces 2-nitro-3-acetoxy 2-nitro-5-acetoxyfuran, when it is the subjected for the hydrolysis in the presence of the pyridine, it removes the acetic acid and to produce the 2-nitrofuran. Like nitration, it is also sulfonated in the presence of the pyridine and sulfur trioxide. It is produces the 2-sulfonyl-furan. Or when we are increases the proportion of the pyridine and increases the 3-fold of pyridine SO3 complex, sulfur trioxide complex, and it is the produces 2,5-disulfonic acid. So when furan react with the pyridine SO3 complex, pyridine SO3 sulfur trioxide complex normally produce the furan 2 sulfonic acid. In the Vilsmeyer method reaction, this is the also a important reaction where the two farfaral moiety is the generated, that is the Vilsmeyer method. In the Vilsmeyer method, furan it is the react with the NN dimethyl formaldehyde. That is the NN dimethyl formaldehyde react use the, and this is the attack at the 2 number position. This is the formylation occurs, and it is the first, it is the prepared further when it is the treated with the alkali hydrolyzed, and if this is the with the sodium salt of the acetic acid CH3COONA, and it is the this one is the removed from that portion, and it is the produces the farfara. That is the formylation, and formylation also occurs in the case of the Gattermann-Koch reaction. In the Gattermann-Koch reaction, furan is the treated with the HCN and HCl, cyanide, hydrogen cyanide, and it is the from a complex which further, that is the hydrolyzed in the presence of the water, it is the produces farfara. That is also a formylation mechanism of the formylation. Mercuration of the furan also occurs at the 2 position. In the when furan is the heated with the mercuric acid, mercury chloride AgCl2, and sodium acetate, acetic acid, sodium salt, mercury chloride এর সাথে ক্রিয়েট করলে this is the produces 2 mercaptochloride furan moiety, and which is easily replaced by the halogen atom. When it is the treated with the halogen, it is the safely produce the 2 bromo or 2 iodine depending upon the halogen atom, and this when we be treated with the halogen, so by we can prepare the particularly 2 halofuran when by the treating with mercaptochloride, and but when we are treated only the chlorination occurs at the electrophilic substitution reaction, there the produce the mixture of the furan, and this is the also HCl also substituted easily by the RCOCl, acid chloride, and acetyl group is the formed COR. Alkylation of the furan also occurs, and furan is the alkylation in the N-butyl lithium moiety. When we react with the butyl moiety, N-butyl lithium to form the 2 lithium derivative. When it is the carboxylated, it is from 2 furan 2 carboxylic acid, or you can say that is the furic acid. Direct acetylation of the furan also possible by chemical alkylation reaction. Here furan is the react in the presence of the catalyst. It may be the boron trifluoride, it may be the stannous chloride, SnCl4, and react with the acidic anhydride as well as the acid chloride, and it produces the COR, that is the known as the acyl derivative of the furan. And another one is already we described in the case of the mercuration. It is the produced at AgCl2 react with the AgCl2 to produce the 2-mercaptochloride furan, which again the HCl এর সাথে react করে, that is the acylation of the furan is the occur. And the remaining two or three reaction of the furan category, these are the oxidation, reduction and Diels-Alder reaction. Oxidation by the acid furan molecule, that ring is the open and produces succinyl aldehyde, and at the H class proton here is the attached and ring is the open, and it is the produces the succinyl aldehyde. Here CH2 and here CH2 CH2, and reduction, furan is the reduction to the tetrahydrofuran. It is reduced to the tetrahydrofuran or THF by the catalyst ranilichene. Normally जो catalyst use है ranilichene, palladium oxide, hydrogen. This the produces the THF. So this is the reduction and this is the oxidation. And furan also react a Diels-Alder reaction because it is resembles like the 1,3-diene. And it is the produces, it is the less it behaves like the 1,3-diene, and this undergo Diels-Alder reaction. Here ether medium is the use, and the product is the form. And this product is the form in case of the Diels-Alder reaction. The temperature involved in that is the 20 degrees Celsius. So these all about the chemical reaction of the furan, and now going to the furan, the various of the biological important and medicinal uses of the furan. 2-methyl furan, this is the structure of the 2-methyl furan, which is found in the oil of turpentine, and the uses is it is the used as a painting, polishing, used as an antibacterial, many pharmaceutical use in the perfume. So this is the 2-methyl furan, having the medical importance, or this is the antibacterial importance, having the also used in the cosmetic and perfumes, also used as a various pharmaceutical. The two important that moiety, that is the furfuran. Furfural, that is a contaminated 2-position aldehyde ring. And another one is the 5-methyl furfural. Occur in the erdium fragile and roasted coffee. So these are the secondary metabolites which occurs in the iodium fragile and roasted coffee. Secondary metabolite. So coffee means these are the medicinal use, that is the CNS stimulant and soothing effect, like menthol like effect produce करे. The compound the 4,5-dimethyl furan 2-carbaldehyde. 4,5-dimethyl furan 3-carbaldehyde. This is a compound which is used as a carminate and occurs in the clove oil. These are having the medicinal use, that is the carminate. 4,5-dimethyl 3-carbaldehyde furan. Evaron, this is the also furan derivative. This is the structure of the evaron benzene moiety, which is the contain double bond over and the CH3, and furan. This is the bicyclic ring conjugation ring system, which are the 3-position methoxy group, which is the also used as a carminate. This is the structure of the evaron. Therin it is the a synthetic derivative which is used in the treatment of the hypertension, stomach disorder. The structure of the therin is the important for exam purpose. As it is the content furan ring, which is the fused with the benzene ring. Again, it is the fused with the pyran ring. So this is the structure of the therin. Therin used as a variety of the pharmacological indication. It is the used for the treatment of the hypertension, renal and biliary celiac failure, and it is also used in the treatment various stomach disorder. Furacin or 5-nitrofuran semicarbazide. This is the used as a this is also the semi-synthetic derivative. This is also the synthetic derivative used as a antibacterial semicarbazide derivative. Nitro, and this is the name of this compound is the furacin. Furazolidone and nitrofurantoin. It is also used as a chemotherapy, as a antibacterial, antiprotozoal diarrhea. The structure of the furazolidone is like that. these structures are important. That in the case of the medicinal uses, so a long question maybe occurs. Write down the synthesis and the medicinal uses of the furan. Write down the chemical reaction and medicinal uses of the pyro. So, or you can say in the short note also occurs. Write down the only medicinal uses of the furan. So, furan is the most important, having the most important medicinal uses than the pyro. So, furan is the always important. When we go to the various azote derivative, they are also the important medicinal uses. So, furazolidone, this is the structure of the furazolidone with the CH double bond A, and this is the azole derivative, oxazole. This is the structure of the furazolidone. We use as antibacterial, antiprotozoal, diarrhea, treatment of the diarrhea, treatment of the litriasis. And when this is the here there is another double bond O is the occurs. This is the known as the nitrofuran chain. Nitrofuran chain contain addition of the double bond O. So similar structure as the furazolidone. The difference only is the addition of the double bond O at the azole derivative system, oxazole system, and this is the use in the treatment of the UTI. Furosemide as a diuretic already you studied details in the previous class. Furosemide is the diuretic and used in the treatment of the hypertension. This is the also furan derivative. This is the structure of the furosemide. Or you can say that is the furosemide also. And ranitidine, you know the ranitidine acts as a anti-secretive agent. H2 by the acts the H2 receptor, and that is the anti-secretive, sorry, that is the H1 receptor, anti-secretive agent, and reduce the gastric acid secretion. Ranitidine. Ranitidine also the furan derivative, and the structure of the ranitidine is also important. At the 2 number position there is a long side chain, and at the 5 position there is the NN dimethyl aminomethyl. So these are the structure of the ranitidine. That's all about the furan. Their chemical properties, physical properties, and their medicinal uses. In the next classes we will discuss the thiopine and relativity of the furan, pyro, and thiopine. Thank you all.